So someone just asked you if you're wearing a wig, and now you're frozen. Not sure what to say? Here are 10 ways to respond, from sassy to simple, so you can handle the moment. 1. The simple truth. Confidence is key. Yep, I love it, don't you? The playful response. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's my secret superpower. The sass queen comeback. Why, you want one too? Then flip your hair for extra effect. 4. The empowerment statement. Yes, wigs let me express myself however I want. 5. The mysterious vibe. What do you think? Let them wonder.